The celebration of the founding anniversary, 73rd founding anniversary ng ating lungsod. Okay. Magbibigay po tayo ng 7 consolation prizes. Pero una sa lahat, palakpakan po muna natin ang ating mga sarili. Ang lahat ng school ay pawang magagaling. Actually, nahirapan talaga kami. Ni Ma'am kayo sa si Ma'am Sulayban. Oo. Talagang, kung pwede nga lang, lahat kayo panalo na talaga eh. But anyway, hindi na nagkabaya ang ating lungsod. Meron tayong 7 consolation prizes. Hindi ko na patatagalin. Okay. Consolation prizes. Ramon Magsaysay Elementary School. Come on the stage, please. Okay, another consolation prize. San Vicente Elementary School. Okay. Another consolation prize goes to Tomas Moroto Elementary School. Ako na, no? Ako pa. Another consolation prize goes to El Pascual Elementary School. Ako pa. Another consolation prize goes to Pura V. Kala Elementary School. Another consolation prize goes to San Agustin Elementary School. And the last of the consolation prize goes to Caligayahan Elementary School. Okay. Alright. Hello. Ibigyan na lang po para sa mga teachers, trainers, ibigyan po yung prizes kayo magawa, ha? Alright. Ngayon. For the second runner-up.
Hello.
For the second runner-up, gathering an average score of 87.23, our 2012 Diamond Live Ride Competition Elementary Level second runner-up goes to San Jose Elementary School. And for our first runner-up, gathering an average score of 90.33, our first runner-up goes to Rosa Susana Elementary School. And now, our Diamond Live Band Competition Elementary level, gathering an average score of 91.67. Ladies and gentlemen, our champion is from
Nawala eh. Ano kasi yung wine. Ang ganda pa naman dito ko, no? Okay.
our champion for this year's Diamond Live Band competition is none other than from or goes to Old Balara Elementary School. Congratulations! Maraming salamat po kay Sir Valdez. Sir, ang galing ng kalamang Consil. Kay Sir Ariate, kay Sir Diner, kay Ma'am Valdez, kay Ma'am Gayo, ang aming presidente ng Mapihead, at ang magandang teacher, at si Madam Magda. Yan. Salamat po, Ma'am.
Okay, sa mga hindi nanalo, hindi naman po itong katapusan, di po ba? Meron pa tayong Rotary Club, alay sa kabataan. Meron pa tayong Boy Scout competition. Isa lang ito sa mga sasalihan ninyo. So mga bata, mga kapwa ko guro, mga trainers, hindi pa po ito ang katapusan. Marami pa po kayong competition na pagsasalihan at next year paghandaan ninyo ulit ito. Okay, muli, sa inyo pong lahat, magagaling po kayo at sa mga nanalo, maraming salamat po sa inyong pagsali sa ating 73rd Foundation Day